Imagine a vast, dark cloud in space, a stellar nursery. This is where the magic of star formation begins, hidden away in the cold, dark recesses of the universe. These clouds, known as nebulae, are the birthplaces of stars, where the raw materials of the cosmos come together to create something truly spectacular. Gravity, the unseen artist, pulls gas and dust together. Over millions of years, this relentless force causes the gas and dust to clump together, forming dense regions within the nebula. These regions, called protostars, are the seeds from which new stars will grow. Clumps form, growing denser and hotter. As the material in these clumps continues to collapse under its own gravity, the temperature and pressure at their cores increase. Eventually, the conditions become extreme enough to ignite nuclear fusion, the process that powers stars. Suddenly, twin lights ignite. Two baby stars awaken. These young stars, known as protostars, are still shrouded in the remnants of the gas and dust from which they formed. They are not yet fully fledged stars, but they are well on their way. These are not peaceful beginnings. Raw energy is unleashed. The birth of a star is a violent process, with powerful jets of gas being ejected from the protostar's poles. These jets can travel at speeds of hundreds of kilometers per second, carving out cavities in the surrounding nebula. The young stars blast away their dusty cocoons with jets of superheated gas. This process, known as feedback, helps to clear away the material around the protostar, allowing it to be seen for the first time. The jets also play a crucial role in regulating the growth of the star, preventing it from accumulating too much mass too quickly. A cosmic declaration. We are born. The newborn stars shine brightly, their light piercing through the remnants of the nebula. They are now fully fledged stars ready to begin their long lives in the cosmos. This is the drama of stellar infancy. Each star's birth is a unique story, shaped by the conditions in its natal nebula and the interactions with its stellar siblings. Some stars will grow to become massive giants, while others will remain small and faint. A stellar delivery room unimaginably vast, filled with creation's raw ingredients. These nebulae are the cradles of the universe, where the elements forged in previous generations of stars are recycled to create new ones. Hydrogen gas, microscopic dust grains, the stuff of future suns and planets. These simple ingredients, when combined under the right conditions, can give rise to the incredible diversity of stars and planetary systems that we see in the universe today. The universe is always building. Star formation is an ongoing process, with new stars being born, even as old ones die. This cycle of birth and death is what drives the evolution of galaxies and the universe as a whole. Our story unfolds in such a place, a turbulent cauldron of cosmic creation. Here, the forces of gravity, radiation, and magnetic fields interact in complex ways to shape the formation of stars and planetary systems. Here, two infant stars flicker into existence, their fates intertwined. These binary systems are common in the universe, with two stars orbiting each other in a delicate gravitational dance. Destined for a dramatic encounter, a fiery dance on the grandest stage. As these stars evolve, their interactions can lead to spectacular events such as stellar collisions or the formation of exotic objects like neutron stars and black holes. A collision that will shake their small corner of the galaxy. Such events release enormous amounts of energy, creating shockwaves that can trigger the formation of new stars in the surrounding nebula. Witness their story, the story of T Tauri stars. These young variable stars are in the final stages of their formation, still contracting and settling into their final forms. Their light flickers and changes as they continue to evolve, a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. Far from Earth, the starship charts a course through the void, its mission to witness the universe's grand spectacles and bring back understanding. At the helm, Commander Evelyn Chase Rostova, a skilled astronaut and scientist. Driven by relentless curiosity, she seeks to understand the forces shaping reality. A marvel of engineering carries Chase towards a predicted cosmic collision. Two young stars, T Tauri stars, are on a collision course, a rare celestial event. Chase and are dispatched to record and analyze. She feels the weight of the mission, the thrill and a tremor of apprehension. The universe rarely gives up its secrets easily. What are T Tauri stars? Imagine them as stellar toddlers, very young and energetic. They are stars in their infancy, less than 10 million years old. Unlike our mature sun, they are just starting out, full of youthful exuberance. They shine because of gravitational contraction, not fusion. Stellar scientist T Tauri stars are notoriously wild with erratic behavior. They exhibit strong stellar winds and powerful jets surrounded by accretion disks. These disks are protoplanetary, crucial for planet formation. Dust grains stick together, growing into planets. But these disks are fragile, especially when two energetic stars are on a collision course. As they neared the T Tauri system, alarms chimed urgently. Gravitational fields were unstable. Radiation levels climbed. This was a cosmic construction zone full of hazards and raw power.
Commander Chase kept her eyes on the monitors, her heart racing. The two TTauriStars were visible as fiercely bright orbs. Their chaotic energy pulsed, causing them to vibrate. The starship's energy shield shimmered, deflecting cosmic rays. Navigating this region was like sailing into a hurricane of stellar fire. Chase focused, her rigorous training taking over. That was strong but small against cosmic forces.
The two T Tauri stars spiraled closer, locked in a gravitational dance. These young stars, still in their formative years, were drawn together by an invisible force, their fates intertwined. The gravitational pull between them was immense, causing them to move in a mesmerizing, almost hypnotic pattern. It was a cosmic ballet, a dance of creation and destruction. Their protoplanetary disks stretched, warped, and tore. These disks, rich with the building blocks of planets, were being pulled apart by the intense gravitational forces. The material within them, once destined to form new worlds, was now caught in a chaotic struggle. The disks, twisted and contorted, their shapes constantly changing as they were torn asunder. Material ripped from one disk, drawn to the other, or flung into space. The violent interactions between the disks sent streams of gas and dust hurtling through the void. Some of this material was captured by the opposing disk, while other fragments were ejected into the vastness of space, lost forever. It was a scene of both creation and destruction, a testament to the raw power of the universe.
Great streamers of gas and dust illuminated by the stars formed glowing bridges. These luminous tendrils connected the two stars, creating a breathtaking display of light and color. The gas and dust, energized by the stars' radiation, glowed with an ethereal beauty. It was as if the stars were painting the cosmos with their brilliance, creating a masterpiece in the void. The remaining material spiraled inwards, feeding the stars, making them unstable. As the gas and dust were drawn closer to the stars, they added to the stars' mass, causing them to become more volatile. The stars pulsed with energy, their surfaces roiling with intense activity. The added material pushed them closer to the brink of instability, a delicate balance that could tip at any moment. Watching from the observation deck of our spacecraft, awe and dread mingled within me. The sight before me was both beautiful and terrifying, a reminder of the immense power of the universe. I couldn't help but feel a sense of insignificance in the face of such grandeur. The stars' dance was a stark contrast to the calm and safety of our vessel, a reminder of the thin line between order and chaos. The main view screen displayed a scene of violence and beauty. The collision of the protoplanetary disks was a chaotic ballet, a dance of destruction that was both mesmerizing and horrifying. The stars' light illuminated the swirling debris, casting eerie shadows across the view screen. It was a spectacle that held us all in rapt attention, unable to look away. Colors swirled and pulsed, intense blues, fiery reds, blinding oranges. The cosmic scene was a riot of color, each hue representing different elements and energies at play. The blues hinted at cooler regions, while the reds and oranges spoke of intense heat and activity. It was a visual symphony, a testament to the diversity and complexity of the universe painting with a brush of pure energy. Every stroke of light and color told a story of creation, destruction, and rebirth. The energy released in these cosmic interactions was immense, shaping the very fabric of space and time. It was a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos, a dance that had been ongoing for billions of years. The spacecraft shuddered, impacts from debris becoming more pronounced. Each collision sent vibrations through the hull, a stark reminder of the dangers lurking in space. The shields held, but the constant impacts were a reminder of the fragility of our position. We were mere observers in a vast and violent universe, our safety hanging by a thread. The safe distance was shrinking, peril escalating. The star's gravitational pull was drawing us closer, the margin for error becoming smaller with each passing moment. The tension on the bridge was palpable, each of us acutely aware of the risks. We were on the edge of a cosmic event, our fate intertwined with the star's dance. Then it happened, the moment of truth.
A flash of light, so intense it outshone 1,000 suns.
For a fraction of a second, the universe held its breath. The two T Tauri stars merged, becoming one. A silent scream of unimaginable energy radiated outwards.
A colossal explosion erupted, shockwaves ripping through space.
The incandescent fury swept away everything in its path.
This was stellar metamorphosis, violent, transformative, absolute. The protoplanetary disks were obliterated, the promise of planets erased.
Yet from the inferno, something new began to take shape.
True nuclear fusion ignited, a new star was born.
The shockwave struck them, alarms blaring, shields buckled, systems flickered, the ship tumbled uncontrollably.
Through the chaos, a new celestial object dominated the view. The newborn star, fierce and dazzlingly bright, surrounded by an expanding nebula.
This new star was larger, hotter, more stable. Its chaotic T Tauri youth was over, a step towards order.
Shining down on an empty system, but perhaps new planets might form. The universe is a theater of constant transformation, birth, life, death, and rebirth. This collision was a fleeting glimpse into that grand cycle.
Inside the crippled, chaos reigned. Red emergency lights pulsed, life support systems failing. Commander Chase fought desperately, but the ship was too battered.
With failing strength, she kept recording, transmitting data. Her final observations, a precious cargo of knowledge.
Her last view was of the newborn star, a symbol of creation from destruction.
With a final whisper, Evelyn Chase Rostova's journey ended. Her atoms, forged in ancient stars, would rejoin the cosmic dust. Her sacrifice, a beacon for future explorers.
The collision of T Tauri stars is a rare cosmic event. These young stars, still in their formative years, occasionally come into close proximity, leading to spectacular collisions. Such events are not just visually stunning, but also crucial in understanding the dynamics of star formation and the early stages of stellar evolution. The energy released during these collisions can trigger the birth of new stars, adding to the ever-evolving tapestry of the cosmos.
We are tiny observers clinging to a small rock in a vast cosmic ocean. From our vantage point on Earth, we gaze out into the universe, trying to comprehend our place within it. The Milky Way, our galactic home, stretches out before us, a reminder of the immense scale of the cosmos. Each star we see is a sun, potentially with its own system of planets, perhaps even harboring life. Yet we look up, driven by our spirit of exploration. This innate curiosity has propelled humanity to reach beyond our planet, to explore new frontiers. From the first steps on the moon to the rovers traversing the Martian surface, our desire to understand the universe knows no bounds. Every mission, every discovery, brings us one step closer to unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos.
It drives us to build ships like the Voyager and the Hubble Space Telescope. These marvels of engineering allow us to peer deeper into space than ever before. The construction of these spacecraft is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly, pushing the boundaries of what is possible to send these vessels into the unknown, to send brave souls like Chase into the unknown. These astronauts, pioneers of our time, venture into the final frontier, facing the dangers and uncertainties of space. Their courage and determination inspire us all, reminding us of the importance of exploration and the human spirit's resilience. Each mission they undertake brings us closer to understanding our universe and our place within it.
What other wonders await our discovery, beyond our current sight? The universe is vast and filled with phenomena that challenge our understanding. Nebulae, the birthplaces of stars, and distant galaxies, each with their own unique characteristics, beckon us to explore further. The Hubble Space Telescope has given us glimpses of these wonders, but there is still so much more to uncover. Neutron stars, pulsars, galaxies colliding, black holes devouring stars. These cosmic events are both awe-inspiring and humbling. Neutron stars, the remnants of supernovae, and pulsars with their rhythmic flashing offer insights into the life cycles of stars. Galaxies colliding create spectacular displays of light and energy, while black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, challenge our understanding of physics. The universe is teeming with secrets. Each discovery we make opens up new questions, new mysteries to solve. The dense star fields and hidden regions of galaxies hold clues to the origins of the universe and the forces that shape it. As we continue to explore, we uncover more about the fundamental nature of reality itself.
It is a book with infinite pages waiting for us to turn them. Each page reveals a new chapter in the story of the cosmos, a story that we are a part of. Our quest for knowledge drives us to keep turning these pages, to keep exploring and discovering. The more we learn, the more we realize how much there is still to know. The quest for knowledge is unending. Astronomers and scientists dedicate their lives to studying the universe, using advanced technology to peer deeper into space. Their work helps us understand the cosmos and our place within it. Every observation, every experiment brings us closer to answering the fundamental questions of existence.
Share your thoughts, dreams, and questions. Join the cosmic conversation. The exploration of the universe is a collective endeavor, one that benefits from the contributions of people from all walks of life. By sharing our ideas and collaborating, we can achieve greater understanding and make new discoveries. The night sky belongs to all of us, and together, we can unlock its secrets. The universe belongs to all of us, and its exploration is a shared adventure. As we look to the stars, we are reminded of our shared humanity and the common quest for knowledge. The International Space Station, a symbol of international cooperation, shows what we can achieve when we work together. The journey to explore the cosmos is one that we undertake as a global community, united by our curiosity and our desire to understand the universe.